and welcome to today's tip. Now, I have been making these amazing patchwork gel plate prints recently, and then I've been turning them into cards. But to add a little bit of interest to them, and you could do this with any cardstock or background that you may have created using your inks. And what I'm going to do is just get my embossing, my Versamark watermark ink, and I'm just going to do like some flicks of kind of ink on them. You have to be sort of careful to get enough on there but not too much. Now you probably can't see that, but as I add the embossing powder, hopefully you will see what's gone on. Even I don't know at this stage. There we go, we've got this lovely sort of flicked effect. You are then left with this lovely shimmer on your paper, and it doesn't matter that it's not kind of uniform, that's part of the look. And I just made some table sort of name tags for a party that I'm going to, doing exactly the same effect, just adding that splash of gold. Isn't it fantastic? I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I hope you managed to give it a go for your card making or for invitations or anything like that. It's such a lovely technique and it's super fun.